Hi everyone, this is Simran from Pink and Lime. We are back once again for a very last minute Diwali edit for all those last minute shoppers who've not had the time to do their Diwali shopping. So we have today some very pocket friendly, ready to wear, easy on maintenance pieces which you can shop comfortably from your home or hop into our store and pick them up. So let's get started. The first style that we have is a repeat of what we'd shown previously also. It was sold out in like 2 days and we got multiple inquiries after that. So now it's back in stock. This is a muslin coordinate with little bit of handwork and thread work on the neck. It's got straight fit cotton fit pants with it and this sort of a muslin tie and dye dupatta. The dupatta also has some sequins and some zari work on it. 2 colors available, a blue and a deep maroon. Priced at 2095, sizes 38 to size 44 is available. The next style that we have is also a muslin coordinate with beautiful embroidery on the neck. It has zari embroidery which has been placed nicely on the print, giving it this sort of a kurta patti look. It comes with straight fit pants and the pants also have some gota detailing at the bottom. This particular set has a beautiful tie and dye dupatta with it in deep maroon color. Priced at 1895, size 38 to size 44 is available. The next style is another muslin coordinate. We've done this sort of a print multiple times and every time it's a complete hit. It has smart detailing on the sleeves, comes with straight fit pants and this sort of a muslin dupatta to go with it. This particular style is again priced at 1895, size 38 to size 44 is available. The next style that I have is a muslin coordinate. It's the same style as to what I'm wearing. It's a 3-piece set with beautiful embroidery on the neck. It's a fuchsia pink which has this sort of a zari embroidery and floral embroidery on the neck with these smart button detailing. It comes with straight fit pants. Pants also have this gota detailing at the bottom and this sort of a smart dupatta to go with it. The dupatta is also on muslin fabric. The price is 1895, size 38 to size 44 is available. The next style we have is another smart coordinate in muslin fabric. It's on a solid teal color with this sort of zari and gota embroidery on the neck. Straight fit muslin pants in the same fabric and a tie and dye shaded dupatta. This particular set is again priced at 1895, size 38 to size 44 is available. The next style that we have is this muslin coordinate in a very soft beige color for those sober, toned down kind of people who don't like too much color. This is teamed with straight fit muslin cotton pants and a beautiful muslin dupatta. This particular set is priced at 1895, sizes 38 to size 44 is available. You can see the print up close. It has this nice detailing, kantha work, sequence work which is all over the print. The next style is this cotton coordinate with this sort of detailing on the neck. We've done this style previously also and it's a repeat which has come. The neck has highlight on the print which is done all over. Straight fit pants and a soft cotton malmal dupatta to go with it. This is priced at 1395 only. The next style that we have are these smart rayon cotton anarkalis. It's a 3-piece coordinate with chiffon dupatta, rayon cotton anarkali with embroidery and straight fit pants. You can see the embroidery up close. It's a combination of zari and thread embroidery, smart button detailing. Each kali has similar kind of embroidery which is running all over. And this sort of heavy embroidery at the bottom, which is a combination of again sequence work and thread work. The sleeves are also nicely finished with embroidery at the edge, and it comes with straight fit pants. The pants will also have the same kind of embroidery at the bottom. This is teamed with chiffon dupatta, which has printing on it, and the printing is coordinated, very well coordinated with the embroidery. This particular set is priced at 2395. Sizes 38 to size 44 is available, and it can also fit somebody with 46 size since it's in an A-line pattern. Two colors in it. There's a fuchsia pink and there's a sunny yellow color. The next style that we have is the straight coordinate with gharchola kind of print on cotton with this sort of smart detailing, which is gota work and mirror work. It is teamed with straight fit cotton pants which has gota detailing on it and a smart block printed cotton dupatta. This is a very comfortable fabric and great for this festive season. Priced reasonably at 1695 only. This is another beautiful hand block printed anarkali with very smart detailing on the neck, potli button, gota work, a contrast hand block printed neck work that has been done. The ghera of the anarkali has this sort of gota detailing. It is teamed with smart block printed pants with bold block prints on it and this sort of gota work. And this is a hand block printed dupatta to go with it. This particular set is priced at 1995. Sizes 38 to size 44 is available. The next style that we have is this smart maroon foil printed coordinate, which has this sort of smart detailing on it. There is hand block print highlighted by foil, sequence work, gota lines, and it has these coin embellishments on it. What's smart about this style is these kind of long slits, which has very smart foil print detailing, which goes all along with it. It is teamed with straight fit pants, and pants also have similar detailing at the bottom. It is on rayon cotton fabric with pure cotton malmal dupatta in contrast color. The dupatta gives it a standout look with this sort of a foil printed border which runs on all four sides and gota detailing on it. This particular style is priced at 2095. Sizes 38 to size 44 is available. And the next style that we have is a rayon based A-line pattern with this sort of embroidery on the neck. It is zari work with mirror work detailing, beautifully placed on the neck. It has a good amount of flare to it. The bottom has foil printing which has been done in a border style. It is teamed with straight fit pants. The pants also has smart detailing at the bottom and a soft cotton malmal dupatta to go with it. The dupatta also has four-sided edging onto it. This particular style is priced only at 1695. Sizes 38 to size 44 and ready to ship. The next style that we have are these muslin garara coordinates. We've done similar styles in cotton, and now for the festive season we've got them done in a very nice beautiful muslin fabric. Muslin is soft on the skin, drapes really well. So this is a tiered garara with assortment of prints and gota detailing, gota border to it. This is teamed with a strappy, a thin strap kurta, which also has a gota patti neck work, gota border at the bottom, and in this sort of a princess style gota border has been placed. It is teamed with this sort of a muslin dupatta, again beautifully printed, very soft drapey fabric, and is and comes with this sort of a fun potli bag. This particular style is priced at 3895. Sizes 38 to size 44 is available. In a similar style, we have another tiered garara, which is a combination of rust with soft grey. It is again a tiered garara with gota border placement, assortment of prints placed very well. It comes with a straight fit kurta The kurta has gota detailing and gota work which has been done on the neck and this sort of a shoulder detailing. This also has bright festive gota work that has been done on the ghera. These sort of cute tassels and is teamed with a fun potli bag. The dupatta for this coordinate is on a soft organza fabric with border and gota patti lines on it. This particular set is again priced at 3895. Sizes are the same which I mentioned, 38 to 40. We also have these smart pocket friendly Garara coordinates with this sort of a gota work kurta to it. This is on cotton fabric. It's a bright red color with straight gota lines and gota border placement. This is teamed with a tiered Garara which also has similar kind of gota work on it. This is on pure cotton fabric and is teamed with a chiffon shaded dupatta. This particular set is priced at 2395 and comes with this cute potli bag. This we have in another color also. This 2395 coordinate also comes in this pink and black combination. The print is really pretty on soft cotton fabric, easy on skin, easy on maintenance with gota patti lines detailing. This sort of a Garara coordinate, cute potli bag and a shaded dupatta. Price 2395. The next style that we have is this pink coordinate, a tiered Garara with a gota work kurta with these gota lines and a shaded dupatta with small potli bag with it. This is priced at 2395. It is on rayon cotton fabric which has a soft feel to it. The kurta can be made short also and you can keep it long as well. This is another Garara coordinate. This is a tiered Garara with assortment of cotton prints, gota lines. This is one of my favorites for its color combination. This is a coral color kurta with nice gota detailing and a turquoise blue dupatta which is teamed with it in Kota Doria fabric. This is priced at 2695. Sizes 38 to size 44 is available. The last style of the day is the smart coordinate. Very pocket friendly. We've done it in a very good, we call it the deal of the day because it's priced reasonably. It's a wine Garara with beautiful gota work, gota lines to it. It's a tiered Garara teamed with a wine kurta, again which has gota placements and gota lines. The print is also really nice. It's on rayon cotton fabric with nice detailing on the sleeves. This comes with this sort of a malmal cotton dupatta and the dupatta also has four-sided border to it. This particular style is priced only at 1895. Sizes 38 to size 44 is available. Those were all the styles that we had in store for today. If you like any of them and would like to shop, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp on 98113 and we'll be more than happy to ship them to you. Also, we do not offer any COD facility. Wish you all a very happy Diwali and hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.